The Best Singapore. Step-by-step guide for how to register an account for Visit Japan Web. Step 1. Click on the Sign Up for a new account near the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Read through the terms and conditions and select both checkmarks once ready and click on Next. Step 3. Key in your email address at the top. Enter your password 2 more times at the boxes below. Once you have keyed in your email and passwords, click on the I Am Human checkbox and select the Create Account button at the bottom of the page. Step 4. You will get a verification/confirmation code from the email address, which you have keyed in. Enter the verification code under the Enter Confirmation Code box. Once you have verified your email, a box should pop up saying, your email address has been confirmed. If you see this screen, it means you have completed your registration. Congratulations! Be sure to click on the Go to Login screen button, so that you are able to key in your details to enter the website. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful.